In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF in Notion, quick and easy for beginners. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so by the end, you'll have a PDF sitting right inside your Notion page, ready to read, scroll, and share. First, open Notion and head to the page where you want the PDF to live. This can be any page, your notes, a project hub, or a documentation space. Click into the page where you want the viewer to appear, so your cursor is in the right spot. That's important because Notion will insert the block exactly where your cursor is. Now, type /embed, like this, the word embed, and then press enter. The / command is Notion's shortcut to create different types of blocks. When you press enter here, Notion will open an embed prompt so you can add your PDF. At this point, you have two options. You can upload a PDF file from your computer, or you can paste a link to a PDF that's hosted online. If you upload, Notion stores a copy inside the page, which is great for keeping everything in one place. If you paste a link, make sure it points directly to a PDF, and that the link is accessible without a login. If the file is private or behind a sign-in page, it won't be able to display inside Notion. Larger PDFs may take a moment to load, so don't worry if you see a loading spinner for a few seconds. After you've selected the file or pasted the link, press enter to confirm. Notion will embed the PDF right on your page and you'll see a built-in viewer appear. You can scroll through pages, zoom in and out, and quickly scan the document without leaving Notion. It's a clean way to keep reference materials or reports visible alongside your notes and tasks. If the PDF takes up too much or too little space, you can resize it. Hover over the edges of the PDF block until you see the resize handles, then click and drag to adjust the width or height. Make it taller for comfortable reading, or narrower if you're keeping it beside other content. Resizing only changes how it looks on the page. It won't affect the file itself. That's all you need. Open your page, type /embed, upload a PDF or paste a link, press enter, and then resize to fit your layout. Use this anytime you want quick, in-context access to a document right inside your workspace.